Welcome back to our next TV channel, and today we're going to open the Zelf's egg. So let's start to get opening. Take off this, take off this, take off the bottom. See how to open this. Somehow you open this. Oh, there we go. Ooh, this is a cute one. Here's our checklist. So right now, let's see, which one? So I don't see the names on the characters. Let's see which one we got. We got this one right here. See, it's this one. So, next thing is to put her on her little stand. And then there we go. There's our little Zelf. She has very cool hair. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment below. And let us know what was this. Which TV channel was your favorite that we've done? We have lots of them that we've done.